windy day. We're just out here making circles before we head to Cape Cay. As you can see, seas are nice and calm. Nice, quiet ride for sure. Alrighty, gonna go get me some breakfast. Coffee. Maybe not breakfast, but whatever. And then I'll take you around the ship some more. See you in a little bit. Basically, that is a soccer table. You both sit and do it like that, and then try to get the ball past his feet. Alright, so what you're seeing there is Great Abaco. That's the island of Great Abaco, and if you look straight off there in the distance, I've got it zoomed about as much as it's going to go. You'll see right there, you'll see another little island. That is Disney's private island, Castaway Cay. Just a small hop, skip, and a jump from Great Abaco. And we are making our way out there, where there's 3 private islands pretty much all together. And that would be Coco Cay, where we're going tomorrow. You got Great Stirrup Cay, which is where NCL goes, and then you got Ocean Cay, which is where I'll be in 2 weeks on MSC. Alright, so that's where I should be. They have 4 pickleball courts. They just turn the full-size basketball court, cut it, and go sideways with it, and they got 4 pickleball courts. Not a lot of room to move out of the back line. dinner already here. I'll bring you the menu right now. First appetizer. Second appetizer, French onion soup. All right, pecan crusted salmon as my entree. For dessert, I got apple cobbler and a little bit of ice cream.